Greetings of the day. I, Chavi Gupta, welcome you all in today's session. We were discussing about chemical reaction and we have discussed about reactivity series and displacement reaction. I have given you some questions, so we will first discuss the questions, then carry our forward topic, that is combination and combustion reaction. Now, the first question given to you is you have to make the formulas. The first is sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. Now, sodium is Na, atomic number is 11 and electronic configuration is 281. Na has a valency of plus 1. Now, sulfate is SO4 2 minus. This 2 minus means it has a valency of minus 2. Okay, so how it will make the formula? Write the valencies. Na is 1, SO4 having a valency of 2. So interchange the valencies and you will get Na2SO4. This is the formula of sodium sulfate. Now next question is potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate. Potassium has a valency of 1 and nitrate is NO3 minus 1. This minus 1 is the valency. Now what we will do is we will interchange the valencies. K1NO3, this one, this will become KNO3. Next is lead oxide. Lead का symbol is your Pb and valency is plus 2 and oxide is your oxygen having a valency of minus 2. So what we will do is we will not put this plus and minus sign. We will interchange the valencies and it will become Pb2O2. This 2 will cancel out and it will become PbO. Okay. So the next question is calcium carbonate. Now calcium has a valency of 2 and carbonate has a valency of minus 2. Fine. So I told you that we won't use any plus minus sign in the formula making. So what we will do, we will interchange the valencies and we will get calcium 2, CO3 2. This 2 will cancel out and we will get calcium carbonate. Fine. So these are the questions that were asked to you. Now we will carry forward our topic, that is next type of reaction, that is combination reaction. That is combination reaction. Now what does the word combination means? Combination is combining the things. आप किस चीज़ को combine करें, that is combination reaction. So that means wherever we react two or more than two reactants together, it is known as combination reaction. For example, A plus B plus C react together to give D. That means this plus sign indicates it is a combination reaction. For example, in displacement reaction we have studied that ZnSO4 plus aluminium. Fine. This aluminium is more reactive than this zinc. So it will form Al2SO4 thrice plus zinc. But what does this plus sign indicate? It indicates this ZnSO4 reacts with aluminium. So it is a combination reaction. Wherever we get two or more reactants together to react, जहाँ पर एक से ज़्यादा reactant react करेगा, that is known as combination reaction. Now see, for example, this is your magnesium plus oxygen. Here this plus sign indicates that magnesium is reacting with oxygen. So two reactants are combining together. So it is known as combination reaction. It will form magnesium oxide. Okay. Now next example is, suppose H2 plus O2. This H2 plus O2 is gives you 2H2O. That is 2. Fine. That means this H2 is your hydrogen. This hydrogen is reacting with oxygen. That means this hydrogen is combining with oxygen. So gives you water molecule. So it is known as a combination reaction. Now, I hope combination आपको clear है. Now, tell another type of reaction is your combustion reaction. Another type of reaction is your combustion reaction. What do you mean by combustion reaction? Combustion means in 8th 9th class we have studied that we have combustible substance. For combustion we need oxygen. That means combustion means you are burning a substance. You are burning a substance. So when you are burning a substance, you need oxygen. You need oxygen. That means combustion reaction is a reaction in which you are reacting a reactant to react with oxygen. Meaning a substance is reacting with oxygen to produce heat, light and energy. Means to produce carbon dioxide gas, water and energy. It is known as combustion reaction. So combustion reaction means when a substance is reacting with oxygen to evolve carbon dioxide, water and heat energy. It is known as combustion reaction. For example, this is your methane. CH4 is your methane. Now it will react with oxygen. Fine. So it will give you CO2 plus H2O plus energy. This energy is your heat energy basically. Fine. Now you will see that this methane is reacting with oxygen. So it will evolve out CO2 and H2O. That means this CH4 is burning or combusting with oxygen, is under combustion. So it is known as combustion reaction. But side by side, you can see that this CH4 is combining with oxygen. So it is also known as combination reaction. So therefore, a combustion reaction can be called as a combination reaction because the two reactants are combining together. Therefore, it is known as combination reaction also. But it is not true that we can call a combustion reaction. We cannot call a combination reaction a combustion reaction. We will see more examples, but before that we will see combustion reaction more. Now, next combustion reaction is that you can see this C6H12O6. This is your glucose. It reacts with oxygen to give you CO2 plus water plus heat energy or light energy you can say. Fine. So this glucose is combining with oxygen, so it is a combination reaction. But this glucose is under combustion, वो oxygen के साथ specifically react कर रहा है, it is known as combustion reaction. Now see, Zn plus O2. It is known as zinc oxide. Fine. Why? Zinc has a valency of 2 plus and oxygen has a valency of 2 minus. So it will interchange. It will form Zn2O2 and it will give you ZnO. Fine. So in this way we will get this ZnO. Now what will happen is we are doing combustion and combination reaction. So you can see that this zinc is reacting with oxygen. So it is a combustion reaction. But this zinc is combining with oxygen. It is known as a combination reaction. Now see the difference in combustion and combination reaction. We can say that ZnSO4 plus aluminium is your Al2SO4 thrice plus zinc. This you will get. But if we talk about Zn plus O2, it will form ZnO. So what is the difference is, here it is a combination reaction. Why? Because this ZnSO4 is reacting with aluminum or combining with aluminum, so it is a combination reaction. But here you can see that this zinc is combining with oxygen specifically, so it is known as combustion reaction. So a combustion reaction can be a combination reaction, but a combination reaction is always not a combustion reaction, as you can see over here. This is a combination reaction, but it cannot be a combustion reaction. Now see next example. If I give you, suppose calcium plus H2O. Fine. This will give you calcium hydroxide. Okay. So this is a combination reaction. But calcium plus oxygen will give you calcium oxide. So this is a combustion reaction. So for today, you will do two questions. That is, first, differentiate between combination combustion reaction with example, combination and combustion reaction with example. Second question is, when we react Fe plus H2O plus O2, what it will form and what do you call this type of reaction? Fe plus H2O plus O2 को आप कौन सी रिएक्शन बोलेंगे, आप वो बताइए. कंबर्शन बोलेंगे, कॉम्बिनेशन बोलेंगे, और यहाँ पे कौन सा प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होगा ये आपने क्लास 7th में पढ़ा है, दैट इज रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन. सो आप मुझे यहाँ का प्रोडक्ट बताएंगे. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक